my corn pop up in rows.
I got a new filter. New air filter for my tractor. Got a Tractor Supply, it's like $15.99. Says it fits the Kohler Magnum 8 horsepower motor and Kohler K241 through K341, 10 horsepower to 14 horsepower engines. This one's a K301A. Of course you can't see it. And I'm just taking off the wing nut that holds the air cleaner lid on. Got that off. The tire's still holding there. Battery's dead. Tried that last time. Bring this over here, you can see the difference. The filters. This one came with a pre-cleaner. Pre-filled filter, it's just foam. And this one's all cracked. See all the cracks in it? Lots and lots of cracks. Really dirty. Rubber's coming off. The edges sticking out. Just pretty much crushed. The new one's a little bit thicker than the old one. Same diameter. Just the new filter's taller than the old one by about 1/8 of an inch. That's because the old one's crushed and dirty. The new one, look how clean that is. You can see right through it. This one. If there was sun, you could try seeing it through the sun, but there ain't no sun. You can't see through that filter at all. There's nothing to see. This new filter, you can kind of see the light through it. Now you can't, of course. I'll just stick that on there. And well, now I got this light on. You can see that that's not supposed to do that. Like a glove. Uh-oh, there's the problem. Screw came loose. Oh, fell on the ground now. Oh, there's that nut I needed too. Don't want to lose it. I need a flathead screwdriver, which I don't have one. Oh, fooey.
Middle of nowhere, they've never drove through Indiana. Met the man who plowed that earth, planted that seed, busted his ass for you and me. You're called a harvest moon in Kansas, and they'd understand why God made those fly over